We've been working on a project with Vypr to try and understand our audiences a bit better, specifically relating to the farm shop.
We asked Vypr to do a case study for us to gain a bigger understanding of who comes into our farm shop and why they come to shop with us.
During the last year, the farm shop has had to shift and change its function without the quantity of footfall from visitors coming through the house and grounds. We've been fortunate that we could open the gardens and outside space, and we also got the house open last summer. We've seen some real positives in terms of connecting with a local audience. Membership has done extremely well over the last year, and I think our local communities have valued having somewhere to go on their doorstep. So we wanted to find out a bit more about what our audiences now think of the farm shop, what we provide in terms of produce and locally sourced products, and then essentially how that might shape and develop our business plan post-pandemic.
This year we've had an exceptional year, as we all know and all understand, but with that we've seen a different type of customer come into our shop with a different type of priority. So our butchery has seen a massive increase. But that has led to all our market research being out of date because we are attracting a different customer set with different priorities and different needs.
Whilst we've got plenty of data for our own members and the people visiting Castle Howard as an attraction, we found it quite hard to understand the views of a wider audience with regard to the farm shop. We really wanted to understand what people thought of the kind of things we were offering currently. So Vypr allowed us to find that audience and then helped us design a questionnaire in a really fun and dynamic way that would help us gain insights into what we were offering currently, what people thought of that, and give us loads of great ideas about what we could be offering. We gave Vypr quite a broad brief about the things we wanted to dig deeper into, the kind of insights we were after. They came back to us with some suggested questions, but it was a really organic process actually and really collaborative. So it couldn't have been easier from our point of view.
The market research that Vypr has done for us has confirmed some things that we already knew that was happened in retail shopping and spending this last year, but some things we weren't quite prepared for and we didn't sort of expect came out in the research, which is fantastic, which is allowing us to develop our business plan moving forward, hitting what our customers really want.
The kind of questions we asked of our audience has really helped the business here at Castle Howard to start to shape what we do next.
So we are now actively creating a new business plan based on the data that Vypr have given us, so we can develop and put a strategy in place for the next few years, and we can see ourselves using Vypr again and again to gain that insight and that quick insight that we need in a very interactive and changing world that we now live in.
The results from the project have been shared with our stakeholders across the organisation and will really shape what we do next in terms of the farm shop offer and the types of events that we might run here at Castle Howard. That kind of data we've not really had before. We've got some further questions that we now want to understand and ask. So I think it'll continue into the future as a really positive working partnership.